Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh,
Ready? Say it. Say ready.
Ready?
Set. Go! You should have seen him sliding down them steps over Grandma's on Kimley's lap. Whoa! He just loves that. Bouncing down them steps. Ready, set, go!
He just loves this. It's over and over
They
again.
used to take the boys and lay them on their back and have them stick their one leg up and then
Opa's tired. Tired? One more time.
Hold your feet.
Ready, set,